Sometimes you'll receive a supplier document that includes stock items not linked to any specific job. No problem, Fergus makes managing these invoices simple. Here's how to handle them. If the entire invoice is for stock only and not tied to a job, go to the right-hand side of the invoice and click the ellipses button. If you still need this invoice to go to your accounting package, for example 0, choose Send to 0 only. If your accounting package already receives this invoice another way, you can simply choose Ignore. Keep in mind that ignoring the invoice removes it from Fergus entirely. You'll need to re-upload it later if you need it again. Pro tip, many Fergus users prefer to create a dedicated stock job for these types of invoices. Assign the invoice to this job to keep a record. When you eventually use the stock for a real job, unassign it from the stock job and reassign it where needed. If an invoice includes both job-related and stock items, just split the invoice. Select the ellipses button next to the invoice and click Split Invoice. Select only the stock items, then click Ignore or assign these items to your stock job if you've created one. Finally, assign the rest of the items to the correct job. And that's it! Fergus gives you flexible options to manage every kind of supplier invoice, so nothing gets missed and everything stays organised.